Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a text box over an image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put text box over an image. Firstly, insert image. Click the pictures option. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture, then click insert. We can see we insert a picture, then click the picture and go to the picture format menu. Then click wrap text option, choose none. Then move this picture some down and resize the picture some small. Now we want to put text box over the picture. Go to the insert menu. Click the text box option and draw a text box over the picture. You can write anything on this text box. Now we can see we put a text box over this picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.